80%. Saturday night, rain and snow likely. Lows in the lower 30s. Chance of precipitation 60%. Sunday, cloudy. Snow likely in the morning, then a chance of snow in the afternoon.
I think I just
Highs in the
heard
lower
her.
40s. This is a test of a no weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next good weather day.